DeFi staking. How to use DeFi staking on Binance. The term DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. Unlike CeFi, Centralized Finance, DeFi provides users with decentralized financial services through smart contracts on a blockchain. Currently, DeFi projects, DApps, have not been fully adopted for the two main reasons: lack of public awareness and complicated and non-intuitive user interface. This is why Binance introduced DeFi staking to help proxy users to participate in related decentralized projects. This allows users to access DeFi in a user-friendly and straightforward manner, without the need to manage private keys, acquire resources, make trades, or perform other complicated tasks required to participate in DeFi staking. By simply clicking Stake Now, you can participate in DeFi staking projects and earn the highest possible returns most simply and safely. How to participate in DeFi staking on Binance. Log into your Binance account. In the left top menu, select Finance, Binance Earn. Then under Fixed Terms category, select DeFi Staking, and you're there. Here, you can see all the DeFi staking projects currently available in Binance Earn. Once you choose the asset you want to stake, click on Stake Now. On the next page, you'll find all the details about this staking offer. You can play with the calculation by choosing either flexible or locked staking and adjusting the duration. The page will show the annual percentage yield, APY, for each calculation, allowing you to pick the best offer for you. Flexible refers to a flexible order type that allows you to redeem your staked assets at any time. When you choose to redeem, we'll return your assets to your account the following day. Locked refers to the staking that's fixed for a specific time frame. Compared to flexible staking, locked staking provides higher interests but requires you to lock your assets for the displayed duration. You can still redeem your assets at any time you wish before the end of the locked duration, but you won't receive any interest generated over your staking period. Your staked assets will be unlocked and returned to your spot wallet the following day. During the staking period, your assets will be locked on-chain, so you won't be able to withdraw or perform any transactions with the allocated assets. Available amount shows the available balance in your spot wallet that you can use to stake on Binance Earn. There is a minimum required limit for staking, and if your balance is lower than that, you won't be able to stake. Also, note that if the total remaining quota of the product is lower than your available balance in your spot wallet, you will only be able to purchase the remaining amount of the displayed quote. Now, enter the locked amount you want to stake, and then click on Confirm Purchase to complete the process. You will find the details under Savings, DeFi Staking. Once you redeem the product successfully, interests are calculated starting at 0 hours UTC the following day. The interests are distributed to the spot wallet every day after midnight UTC. When the process is complete, the staked assets will be redeemed automatically, and the funds returned to your spot wallet. If you want to redeem your assets before the end of the process, click on the Redeem Earlier button. Please note that unlocking your staked assets requires a specific time based on the specifications of the chain you're staking on. Remember that if you redeem your stake earlier on locked staking, you will lose your interest. If you decide to redeem the locked staking products in advance, the interests you have generated will be deducted when your assets are returned. Please note, Binance strives to offer its users only the best DeFi staking projects. However, Binance only acts as a platform to showcase projects and provide users with related services. Binance will not assume liability for any losses incurred due to the project on-chain contract security issues. Always do your own research before participating in DeFi staking. Try Binance Earn today, your one-stop service to competitive and intuitive DeFi staking.